Visible light is of special interest to us because this is the range of the electromagnetic spectrum that we can detect without any special equipment. To really understand the behavior of visible light, we must make a few assumptions. For now, we are going to assume that light travels in straight lines called rays. It doesn't matter if this light has originated from the sun or traveled through a window or reflected off of some surface. The light will be traveling in a straight line. We can easily describe the behavior of light rays with geometry, so we call the study of light rays geometric optics, although sometimes you will hear it referred to as ray optics. There are three things that can happen to a ray of light when it hits a surface. It can be reflected, absorbed, or transmitted. The law of reflection describes the light ray when it hits a surface that reflects it. So the light rays traveling from the flashlight will hit the surface and bounce off in some direction. If we focus on a single ray, we can say that the ray travels to the surface at some angle perpendicular to the surface. This is known as the angle of incidence or the incident angle. The light ray bounces off and leaves the surface in a different direction. What we find is that the angle of incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection. This is what is known as the law of reflection. This law holds for any light ray that is reflected off of a surface, and as you might imagine, gets interesting to define when our surface is not entirely flat.